Bang. Bang. Wawa.
Say Lola.
Wawa.
Wawa.
Bang bang.
Wawa.
Babang. Babang. Si Wawa. Babang.
Di pa nung ditanggal pa.
Si Wawa.
Nakalaip po no. Say Wawa. Say Wawa. Wawa. Lola. Gini mama.
Wawa.
Wawa. Atanggal.
Kain. Let's eat, guys. Come on.
Ano mo tingnan mama?
Thank you for watching. Come on, let's eat. Wawa. Wawa.
Wawa.
Wow, ang galing. Yay! Wawa. Wala na. Aliun mo ko na. Oh. Wawa. Say Wawa. Hi, Jan. Eating again, yes. Let's eat. Fried fish. Fried fish. Thank you, John. Oh my God.
OMG. Tingnan mo.
Oh my God.
Mama.
Thank you so much. Let's eat, John. Lunch. Eat for lunch. Thank you for joining.
Sleep na. No, mama.
Wawa. Say Wawa. No, no, not like that.
Wala ang
Like
oras.
this.
Wala ang oras.
Come on. I just have lunch. That's good. May pit ka. May pit ka dito. What's your food, Jan?
Ano, angkat na lang kita. Sleeper na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hindi anak ko. Bye-bye. Wala, sinilabutan.
Wawa. Say Wawa.
Ito.
Wawa.
Andam.
Lotion.
Kitchen.
I had potato pie. Oh, wow.
Yummy.
Yummy. Opo. Bye-bye. Thank you for people. Potato pie.
Mama. One. Uno. Ten. Ito.
Opo.
Ten.
Dan, hindi na mabuksan. Wawa.
Ito. Wow.
Because mine is
Ito. Yan.
calling me Lola.
Ito.
But Lola, it's like an old woman. That's why I'm not so old. That's why it's Wawa. I want to call her. I want she call me the Wawa. Say Wawa. Babang, call me Wawa. Oh, sorry. Wawa. Yay! Wawa.
Ang galing na. Ay,
Babang, Wawa.
wawa. Para bote.
Say Wawa, Babang.
Lola. Wawa. Nice.
Wow, Bobang. Babang. Hi, babe. Grady. Babang.
Andang asunod na yung Mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sabi daw, bye-bye. Bye-bye daw, bye-bye.
Jan. What are you doing, Jan?
Bye-bye.
What are you doing now? Taga saan ka, Bicol po? I'm from Bicol.
Dang, may sendang mama.
I don't see Andang. Where's Andang?
Where's Andang?
Watching you there. Thank you so much for watching. She's my niece. Her name is Ashley. Say hi, Ashley. Thank you for watching, John.
Say, aray mo. Tokak.
Mm.
Tokak. Aray mo, tokak. Aray ko, tokak.
Thank you for the
Ay,
likes.
1 plus 1 equals 6. Mali, pero ikaw ang pinili. Ako nga yung pinili, pero di ka patuloy.
Kumain na sila. Kararating ko lang eh. Hi, Ashley. They already eat. Just got home.
Hindi mo give it.
Nasaan ka, Bicol?
pabango kita. Aray ko, Olivia. Sana magkabot. Yan, libre ka ba?
Sorsogon po. I live in Sorsogon, Bicol Province, Philippines. Thank you for the likes.
Wait lang.
Thank you, John.
Uy. Ito ka na ako ng bigla. Ako din na papa.
Thank you for the heart.
Wow. Oh, baby, adila. Kabat mo. Ako na.
I hope you're having a wonderful day, Cheryl. Thank you, Higgs. Thank you so much, Higgs. Harayo digdi ako, albino travel. Okay po. Haragyo nga.
Oh, kanang kamat mo. Bebe,
What's up,
kamat mo.
Jay?
Target ko.
From Higgs. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Higgs.
Sa kamat mo na.
Hi, Higgs from Jay. John. Thank you, John. Hala, bakit na ano mo tumata? Na ano mo?
Binutang ko na sa kamat.
Come here.
Mama, ano niya? Maaratan yun.
Come here.
Nagkapot sa... Ganyan sa mata. Nagkapot sa... Wala na part yung nagsigado.
Come on. Oh my God.
Wash daw.
Si Tita. Si Lola. Oh, ano na Wawa? Oh, mga kalat. Open your eyes.
Kalat.
Si Wawa.
Wawa.
Wawa. Where's Wawa?
Ito.
Nasaan?
Ito.
Tap on clip to paste it on the text box. What? Sad about yesterday, man. Why? What happened?
Ayaw
about
sa labas
yesterday?
wala.
What happened about yesterday? What happened, Higgs? I don't know what happened.
Yung may gitara.
Nothing. I didn't know what's going on. Yeah, me too. Maybe yeah, me too. I think nothing's going on. Nothing's bad. Everything will be fine. Everything fine yesterday. Everything is good.
Aray!
Maybe. Kuya, may nakalive ako.
Ashley! Ay!
Secret men's business.
Dang, no.
Hmm.
Dang. No. Dang. Dang. No.
Secret men's business? What it does? What it means? Actually, I didn't really know what's going on either. He had a bull's eye on me. Ah, okay.
Ayaw mo na, bebe.
Misunderstand, mistaken. Hey, no. Uncle Skeng, hi. Thank you so much. 9 people here. Thanks a lot. Someone playing guitar, yeah. The baby playing guitar, oh my god. Looks like you enjoyed that.
Hindi makatukotakan ate ila.
I play guitar too. Ah, okay. What's for lunch, Cheryl? The lunch fried dried fish and rice. Yeah. Nagigitara ang ano mo, batuta mo. Ay, ito ho.
Ba't maraot yun din lahat?
Rarat naman.
Yun. Di mama yun. Local pa na yata.
Lunch is gone, Higgs.
Wala ka lang din naman.
Hard cock, ready for you. Huh? Ew.
Ay,
Sayang, I prepare myself to someone who deserve it. It's not for you. So don't be available to anyone. Be available to anyone, but sorry for me, no. So no for me, Zayan. Purple 7.
hello.
Antonio Vasquez, hello. Ay, gaabay mo daw si ano? Si Babang.
Tara lang.
That was a great answer, Cheryl. Yeah. I understand the man's desire, but we have also we are human. A woman, we're also a human. So that's why. But I think for me as a woman, we prepare ourselves for the right person. That's also the right, the right one. Oh my God. Why oh my God? I know, yes, I love it. No, it's not just a like. We love that. But we're not give it to anyone.
Jayla, kang dito kay magbiwi ka muna.
We're not give it to anyone.
Parang kayo. Jayla, mabakal kita. Mabakal ka mo. Kida. Sabi mo ka muna bakal. Jayla.
Tagalogin mo, hindi nakaintindi ng Bicol. Englishin mo, busy sa gitara. Puro may pag-ganong-ganon pa na. Dili mo yung drum, gitara yun.
Saan yung tayo dito?
Hindi ko may raot. Sarap man lang sa ng perdas na.
Jayla, kang magbiwi ka.
Tama, Jela, Jayla.
Anong baby?
Kan!
Baby!
Pinungtungan pa. Di pa na ko. Magwiwi ka. Tignan mo, oh. Pangat na ng sticker mo.
Cesar Tumbaga. Hi, Cesar. He 777 back off.
Nagtabango ka o si Al? Nagtabango ka?
John, what do you say about John? What do you say about Zayan? Hello from Bakar, Senegal. Hi. Hello from Philippines.
Wiwi na.
I got your back, Jay. Shut up. Just being an idiot. Obviously. I think he didn't realize that. His mental illness is not healthy. Has warrants. Hello, 9 people. Give the likes. Thank you, 21 people here. Thank you, 25. Cyan gives sevens a bad name, lol. We're from Cyan. Don't tell me, Cyan, you are from India. Are you Indian? Don't tell me you are Indian. Or Pakistan. Or, sure.
Ate, saan ba yung nadapa?
Ano ba yan? Kamot ka ng kahoy.
Maybe just ignore him and he will go away. Yeah. Need to ignore this kind of people. Ay, ang galing. So beautiful, babang. Bangbang. Babang. Thank you, 16. Hello. Very smart, Jay. That's a good call. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Cesar Tumbaga. Why I forgot? Aray. I need to
Magkabango na tayo. Magkabango tayo sa
Wait, I just washed my hands.
Ay, sa wallet pala natin. Wallet pala natin, guys. So, guys,
No, tingnan mo bebe. Tingnan mo. Kalaho. No, don't like that.
so guys, mapabango tayo sa bag ko, tapos sa wallet. Bye!
So beautiful. You're beautiful and white. And as long as I love you, yeah. Wow. What is this? Ay!
Nagusay. Ngayon, wala na.
Raman.
Mila.
Dinara dito sa luyo. Oh, 35 people. Hi. Thank you for the likes. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Higgs. You and I. It's you and I. Thank you so much. Would you like to pick me up? Naliligaw ka ba? Are you? Makarigis ka? O, karigis na kay Banda. Dire, kay si Babang.
Oh, mag-ingat mo sa matagdakal ang bugat.
Ha?
Mag-ingat mo sa matagdakal ang bugat. Ulungan! Kita Grace! Ulungan!
Dabang ko na kayo.
O, karibok na nga yung suling. Skandalusa na nga. Make it 26 people here. Sabi mo. Sabi mo sa akin baby. Dahil kasama. Thank you for the 2 people. Sayaw pa. More. Mario Martinder. Hi. From Brazil. Paulo Masowa. Hi, Paulo. Hugs, would you like to be? Stay outside. Stay inside. Wawa. Wawa. Excuse me. Wawa. Wawa. Mama. Di na nasa maaman ano? Kalutan ano?
Ha?
Kalutan.
Marami lang po.
Plastic. Plastic.
Ha?
Kalutan ng plastic.
Hoy?
Ito nga sa makarong din yun.
Ano ito?
Dito na ako nagtaas yung naman na dito sa loob. Ito. Maligo ako.
Papa yun. Ano yung papa?
Simple.
Perfect.
Tita, nag-decide ko dito.
No design. Yep, yep, yep. Ay, please there. What? What please? What please? Thank you, 13 people. Thank you so much. Aray. Thank you so much. Hello, beautiful Joel. Hello, Mondo. Nagkaan ka na, Gab? Makadali mo man.
Pagganina pa ako nagkaroon. Wala ka pa dito.
Niya na alas 12?
Opo.
Nanong suda mo?
Ano, ang nanay ito na, ang nanay, ito na may buray baga.
Argentina? Corn beef? Corn beef?
Opo.
Hello, Arabanda champion. Hi. Thank you 30 people, 33 people, 26 people, 13 likes. Hello, come by to give a like. Welcome back, Golden. Very long time no here.
Paano yung pagtayuan yun?
You find Filipina? Carlos. Mario Martindao. Hi, Mario. Mario.
Ay.
Maybe Malda, thank you for the likes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Maybe hindi po pwedeng itapon yan, di ba? Hindi po pwede. Ang alin, ang hindi pwede itapon. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, Calvin. Advance Merry Christmas. How are you? What's happened? Busy?
Adorable.
Hello, Igor Christ. Hello, how are you doing today? I'm doing live. Beautiful shows, so pretty. Thank you. Peter Dance. Hi. Who are you po, Sir Igor Cross? Thank you for joining me here again. Maybe my love could end someday. Anong pag-ibig? Ang pag-ibig ay parang ang pag-ibig ay mahiwaga. Kung hindi para sa iyo, kung hindi ookol, hindi bubukol. Huwag ibigin ang hindi sa iyo. What? Huwag angkinin ang pag-ibig kung hindi naman para sa iyo at kung ikay ay may kahati lang. Mario Martinda.
Hello.
Wag kang iibig kung hindi rin lang naman. Kung may kahati ka lang din naman. Wag kang iibig sa taong alam mong hindi mapapasayo mong tarat-tarat. Gabriel, pwede paluway mantabi. Hola. Thank you so much. 14 likes. 29 people here. Thanks a lot. Thank you, 34 people. Wow. Robert is there. Hi, Robert. Hello, beautiful lady. Hi, Sir Robert. Magagandang, ano ba yan? Alam mo, ayaw ko ng ganyan, ng mga banat. Hindi ako nag-entertain ng ganyan, Mario. Ayaw ko may stress, alam mo yun. Ayaw ko mag-explain ng kasi hindi ka naman dapat, kung bata ka pa, bawal dito ang bata. Under 18 below, ang edad, bawal dito. Tapos kung 18 above ka na, dapat matured, dapat nasa tamang pag-iisip ka, alam mo ang tama at mali. Sa paraang gusto ko lang. Wala akong paki sa gusto mo. Hindi pwedeng gusto mo, hindi pwede sa akin yan. Magkakaiba tayo ng pananaw sa buhay. So, well, kapag gusto mo pala, hindi pwede sa, mamimilit ka. Pangit yung ganun. May kakilala akong ganyan dito eh. Gaslighting. Alam mo yung gagamitin niya yung isang bagay na para mapao niya yung isang tao. Duwag yun. Hindi nagpapakalalaki yan. Pangit ang ganun. Hello, Miss Cheryl. Hi, Daniel. maaari mo ba itong gawin na mas madali ng kaunti? Parang hindi yata ako naintindihan nito eh. Parang ano to eh. Na-translate lang to ng Tagalog eh. Maaari mo ba itong gawin mas madali ng kaunti? Ang alin? How are you today? I'm fine, Daniel Rodriguez. How about ya? Joey Rapsing. Papaiga. What's on the agenda today? The agenda for today is stay positive in life. The agenda for today is stay positive in life, stay healthy, ignore negative people, ignore toxic people that can help us to grow, ignore negative and toxic people that can destroy our peace of mind. That just like bring trouble, not good in our mindset. Hindi siya nakakatulong. Kadang hirap pag-explain, English kasi. That's the spirit. I'm fine, thank you for asking. Mario Martindale.
May computer ka sa
That's the spirit. Money can earn, but the trust is not. For me, it's a priceless. Not everyone deserve for the trust. Not everyone deserve it. Deserve the trust. Deserve the respect. Not everyone deserve it. It's not so easy to give the trust to the person. Yes, negative people are a waste of time. Yes, absolutely, 100% agree for you, Danielle. To you, good to you. Trust is earned, 100%. Trust need to earn. Yeah, 100%. Kasalanan mo to. Sino ba nagsabing maging ganito kakagwapo? My God. Mario Martindale. How is the weather today? The weather today sunny, then suddenly raining, and then suddenly sunny, and then suddenly raining. At night, it's cold weather. Night. Different weather here in the Philippines. Here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Suddenly sunny, suddenly raining, suddenly unpredictable. Yes, unpredictable. Thank you, 33 people. Naniniwala ka bang ganyan na ako? I don't know. Junior Cocktails, beautiful pair of legs. Congratulations, that's already worth my life. Ayan. Thank you for the 17 likes. Thank you everyone here. Thank you so much. Tell me who's that girl? I left Japan 40. You left Japan? Nagpapakita ka ng kagandahan. Unintentionally.
Ay, patulong naman po, Sarah.
Gab, baka ka dito sila ng ice cream. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Ay?
Everyone welcome to send the super chat.
Ay!
Thank you so much.
Ba't mo naman kinigis?
Tell me who's that girl was called. It was called, yeah. No, not called there. 40 called. There. Called there in your place. Where are you from, Daniel? Here, not cold. It's sunny now. Suddenly sunny. Cutie. Roblox.
Roblox. Laos na yun.
Roblox.
Laos na yun, mama. Ang uso naman yan.
Thank you, Ethan people. Hit the likes. Thank you so much. Na 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 na. Daniel, I'm currently living in Kentucky, USA. USA. Parang kailan lang. Good morning to you, baby. How are you right now? And I think already afternoon here, not morning. Maybe have a nice day.
Di palit kay mama.
Thank you for
Na kayo. Ano, di?
greetings. Yes.
Look.
Nice to meet you, Daniel Rodriguez from USA, Kentucky, USA. Dr. Nazar Taj. Hi. Nazar Taj. Okay.
Bakas na agad.
Awatan Arnold, Sandra Rodriguez. Shine. Hi, Shine. Hi, Shine. Oh my God, ano ba yan? Yes, baby, maganda. I'm fine. Thank you, 20 people. Hit the likes. Thanks so much.
Baka wajit lang yan.
Thank you to hit the like. Thank you for sending the heart. Thank you so much. Hello. Oh my God. Thank you, Daniel. Oh my God. Thank you so much. God bless you, Daniel from Kentucky, USA. Thanks a lot. Oh my God. Please you stand up. Why? If you send the gift, I will stand. Thank you so much, Sir Daniel. See you again. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. See you again. Thank you for joining. Hope join my next live. Sir Daniel Rodriguez. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye, Daniel. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the gift. Advance. Merry Christmas. Mario Martindale. Advance Merry Christmas, Daniel Rodriguez.
Water girl.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. My God! Oh my God. Wait lang. I need to... So tell me who's that girl? Hope see you again here. May natiktilao. Oo nga po. Thank you, 5 people. Thank you. Gab, pa, makiharandig ako dun, Gab, po. Makulog ko ng sige ko. Dito, iswag ka dito, Gab. Iswag. Iswag. Sabi ko ba, diri pwede mag-charger? Magagamit. Maraot ba gayon? Aray ko, makulog ako. Ouch. My God. Thank you. Thank you, 6 people. Thank you so much. My God. Sorry. Thank you, 7 people watching. I don't like it. Thank you so much, 10 people here. Thank you so much. And I thought I would be right for you. Thank you so much. 21 likes. Thanks a lot. Kaluwayan man yan, guys. Ako nag-arabot na dito gabo. Sabi ko baga sa imaan, ano, nga na ano, imudan, ano, ito na dito, ano, sabon. Ma. Thank you, ma'am. Why suddenly quiet? Oh my God. Hello, Olopot John. Why Olopot? What means Olopot? I followed the Moscow down to Gorky Park, listening to the Hi, Olopot-chan. What the meaning of olopot? I fell. And I thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you well. Something is well. Sino kaya nanonood? Cardenas. I fell sleepy. Oh my god, I fell sleepy. See you next live. I need to take a nap. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you so much.